Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning. It is currently 7:20 in the 7:19, 7:20 in the morning. It is currently December 10th. So two trades I did take this morning on GJ, right? So let me break down the analysis. So pretty much based off the higher time frames, price did look like it was starting to push down. You're getting a lot of heavy rejection around this area. Originally I did anticipate buys for this to continue pushing up, but clearly it rejected there. This candle over here started reversing on the lower time frames. You can see it just started breaking the lows of previous candles. So you go down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame started off over here at this level of support. I broke it down from the 30-minute. It was a quick little setup that I saw on the 30-minute based off a higher time from Confluence. It was a break and retest here. So once this candle closed, my entry was at the close of that 30-minute candle. Original stops was above that. It was about like 16 pips. It was like a 16 pip stop loss. I did end up writing this whole move down. I did close 50%. I think once it reached about this level right here. So it was a good trade. Close 50% around 30 pips and close 100% at around 45 pips on that move. But I did have a second entry that I did take off this candle right here. So once this candle closed, once that 30-minute candle closed, I did take an impulsive sell. Once it kind of like retraced up a little bit, I did take a sell at the close of the break of the low of this, and my stops was above that previous 30-minute candle. And this trade I did close out 100% by the time it hit the 21. A little bit under that. So all in all, it was a good day. Caught around like maybe like 70 pips between both of those trades. Really good trade. And reason why I did close out here was because I was satisfied with the move. I did take into consideration that I could leave position running, but would I be happier just taking all my profit and just being satisfied with that massive move that I did catch? Because this doesn't happen every day. These 50, 60 pip moves don't happen every day. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. I'll take it, and I'll be okay with it continuing to push down. Closed out as soon as this candle closed, and little did I know, look at what happened. It started retracing up. So that right there would have probably kind of killed the vibe. Even though I would have caught this whole move down, it would have killed my vibe, because like, okay, look, I could have closed out down here, and instead I'm gonna have to close out up here. All in, like, regardless, this could be forming out to create some lower high level and form some level of resistance, which would be nice, but I'm not taking any more trades. I did really good this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it as is and be back tomorrow on Thursday, I believe. No, today's Thursday. Be back tomorrow on Friday for New York session and kind of see how that ends up playing out. But all in all, this was a good move. Nothing out of the ordinary for any other pair. I know the pound pairs were moving very volatile towards the downside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna analyze any of those other pairs because I'm not really paying attention to that. GJ is base, so I will dominate GJ. That's pretty much it.